Hello guys, review tablet Alcatel One T10. This 10-inch display tablet. In complementation we have USB cable and adapter for charging, that's all complementation. Okay, and now talk about device. Device made of plastic, on the back side camera. This slot for a micro SD card for memory. We have 1 GB RAM memory and 16 GB internal memory on the back side. Speaker, camera, front side 10-inch display and front camera. On this side port micro USB, headphones jack, and on this side microphone. Okay, turn on the device. We have IPS HD display. Open Antutu benchmark and look about CPU and system information. Device support 10 touches. Okay. These results on Antutu benchmark, and we have CPU MediaTek MT 8321. This quad-core processor 1.3 CPU speed. Okay. Open GTA San Andreas, look how GTA San Andreas work on the device on the medium graphic level. This medium graphic level, and device works, game works good on the device. We don't have lags, don't have glitches, game works smooth. Okay, close this. And that's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.